solving equations. Now, I happen to know there is a young man out there named Thad who is going to buy a vehicle, a used vehicle. It's going to have 88,000 miles on it, and he plans to use it 500 miles every month. Now, we let M stand for the number of months that Thad has owned the car. We can describe the total miles on the odometer using a function. Okay? The odometer reading is going to be a function of the number of months he's owned the car and used it. Now, that odometer reading is going to be equal to 88,000 because that's what it was when he bought the car. He had that much on it. Plus 500 miles times the number of months he has owned the car. So there we have O of M. All right, so we have two questions here. First question, how many miles will the car have after 12 months? So he owns it for a year. What's the odometer reading going to be? Very, very simple. We're going to go ahead and substitute in 12 for the argument M. So the odometer reading of 12 months, O of 12, is going to be equal to 88,000 plus 500 times 12. All right, which of course is 88,000 plus 500 times 12 is 6,000 miles. He's going to put 6,000 miles on this thing. So the O of 12 is going to generate, let's see what's that going to be, 94,000 miles. All right, so there you've got some function notation in the form of an equation. We know that O of x is going to be, O of m rather, is going to be 90,000. So we'll put that in there. We're trying to find out what month, how many months he's going to own this before this is going to happen. So we'll put in the 88,000 plus the 500 times the number of months. All right, we have to then go ahead and solve this equation. First thing we're going to do is algebraically remove the 88,000 by adding its opposite, or just subtracting 88,000 to both sides of the equation. All right, so So we want to find out how many months it takes him to go 2,000 miles. And at 500 miles per month, if you just divide on both sides by 500 or just use your brain, you can see that that's going to take him 4 months. Okay, but the question is, when will he need the 90,000 mile oil change? So you can't say 4 months, that doesn't make sense. You've got to tell him when. All right, you bought it on January 28th. Okay, so February 28th is 1 month, March 28th is 2 months, April 28th is 3 months, May 28th. So the answer is May 28th. 4 months.
Yo, it's Math Mixer. Everybody loves Math. Gotta love the teacher. You happy?